This is the power of nature. You see, they are increasing. Ooh. One had become three. Wow. I'm sure this one is pregnant. Can you see? This is amazing. Power of nature. Yeah. Let's see whether I can capture them from this angle. See my cocoa. See my cocoa. Wow. Wow. My garden is doing so well. Yeah, that's it's captured. See my garden doing so well. I had just only one snail. Now there are three. See the powerful hand and work of nature. Okay. You see that one? That's great. See this one? They are feeding. They are feeding. They are feeding. Wow. See the power of nature. Powerful power of nature. Especially this one. This one seems to like food a lot. See the way it's chewing? See the way it's chewing those leaves? Yeah. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. You're doing so well. I love this. Can you see? See the way it's chewing those leaves?